Lesibalo senza babe ngama-24 abantu abahaqekile kulelizwe. Abayili-12 base-Gauteng, abayili-19 baKwaZulu-Natal, kuthi-ke oyedwa abese-Western Cape.
We want to encourage people to remain vigilant at all times, and those who experience mpox like symptoms, not to waste time, not to self-diagnose, not to self-isolate, but present themselves at the nearest healthcare facility.
Umnyango wezempilo usebenzisana-ke nezinhlaka ezihlukene ukuqinisekisa ukulawuleka kokusabalala kwalesifo.
Only 3 people lost their lives. 19 of them had fully recovered. Hence, I said at the beginning that we were on the verge of declaring the outbreak over. So in terms of the success rate, I strongly believe that we are doing well as the country, working closely with the organizations like your WHO and other partner organizations in the country.
Kusenjalo, inhlangano yezempilo emhlabeni, i-World Health Organization, ihlongoza ukubiza umhlangano wekomiti longoti ngokubheduka kwesifo i-mpox. Leli komiti lizokweluleka mayelana nokuthi ingabe ukwanda kwalesifo e-Afrika kufanele kuhlonzwe njengento okumele kubhekanwe nayo ngokushesha noma cha.